I think this is a really good program, and as far as the equipment and the instructors, there's a lot of good resources here.
It exposes you to a lot, so that when you do hit the shop floor, you've got an idea of what you're doing.
We generally like students to start with a little bit of manual machining, and maybe they swayed one way or the other from their experiences. They realize like I really like to have that extra technology, or they really like the hands-on aspect to the manual. A lot of the ideas, concepts, tools you will see in both programs.
I like the fact that it's so hands-on. The lab portion, I think, is invaluable to be able to put your hands on something and create it. I've always enjoyed actually creating something rather than reading it in a book. I think you can read about it and talk about it all day, but until you put your hands on it and start making it, you won't really understand completely what you're doing.
It's really satisfying to finish a part where it has some tough features, or it made you think outside of the box or do some unconventional stuff. But when you have the finished product and it's all ready to go, it's a real good, gratifying feeling.
We're doing all sorts of really cool stuff, not just things that are in the book that are part of the regular curriculum. We're doing those, but when students come up to us with some kind of an idea of, hey, I want to make this part, or hey, I have this project I want to make, we're looking at it from the machining side, and we're doing a lot of interesting parts.
If you want to go above and beyond, there's a bunch of potential for you to do that.
The fact that the instructors are so knowledgeable, they actually come from a place where they've done this for real in the real world. So when I ask questions, they come back with information that is backed with real world experience.
Coming from Chabot College and the labs here, and then going out into the industry, you're going to know how to run just about every type of machine.
At the point of completion, whether you get your certificate or your associate's degree, you are ready for the job market, and in fact, you're probably already trying to get snapped up by recruiters. Like once people even know that you're out there, you're probably trying to get recruited. It is a very hot job market.
It's a very good basis to start off into the workforce and gain a good position.
I don't think a lot of people understand what machining really is. If you want to dip your toes in it, go for it, because it's something interesting. You might enjoy it.